Now, your first warm weather forecast with meteorologist Joey Marino.
Good morning, everybody. If you woke up very early this morning, you would have gotten to see some snowflakes, but now we have wave number 2 making its way across the state line. And if you're traveling across the Rockford area this morning, starting to see some snowflakes on our SkyTrack camera over downtown. Temperatures this morning do remain cold enough for all of the precipitation to remain as snowflakes. Right now, most spots reporting temperatures in the low 30s. Right now, 33 in Rockford, 32 up in Janesville, 30 in Freeport, 28 in Galena, 32 in Sterling, and also 32 degrees out in Dixon. But wind chills are down into the 20s this morning, so that's why it's going to be a good idea to make sure that you dress warmly, grab that heavier jacket before heading out the door. And that's because winds right now out of the north and northwest, depending on where you are. Most spots right now about 5 to 10 miles per hour, but we got a couple of spots including up near Janesville at 13 miles per hour, 12 in DeKalb, and 11 out in Belvedere. Now, still having wind chills down into the 20s, most of us in the low 20s, but you can see that Galena down into the teens, 22 it feels like out in Freeport, 24 in Rochelle, and 24 out in Sterling. Now, you can see on satellite and radar the wave that came in earlier this morning, bringing us a few light snow showers, pushing off towards the east, but you can see that we were left with mostly cloudy skies after that, and then wave 2 is now making its way across the state line with the heaviest snow off towards the south of the Rockford area. So if you're traveling on Interstate 39, especially south towards Rochelle, could experience reduced visibility even more than what we're seeing here in the Rockford area. But after this wave of snow makes its way on through, we are going to see drier conditions for the afternoon, and that's because of this high pressure system that's going to be sliding down from the upper Midwest. So let's take a look at that using FUTURECAST. I think that we do have the opportunity to see a few light flurries, maybe mixing in with some light rain showers as we head into the late morning hours, but most chances, if not all, should be coming to a close once we get towards midday. Now that will leave us with mostly cloudy skies, and thanks to that northwesterly wind throughout the day, temperatures unseasonably cold, right around the 40-degree mark. It's typically when we get towards late November where we're seeing average highs in the low 40s. At this point of the year, we should be climbing into the upper 50s. Now we are going to see some clearing once we get into this evening, especially into the overnight hours, starting off with mostly cloudy skies. Then as that high pressure system draws closer, that's going to clear out that cloud cover, and that's going to bring some sunshine for our Tuesday. But despite the sunshine, we are going to stick with highs in the low 40s. And as you see, with temperatures going into the rest of the work weekend and going into Halloween weekend, this week's chilly start doesn't tell the whole tale as we head into the upcoming weekend. 53 for a high on Wednesday, then down just slightly for the day on Friday. But Halloween, much different story from where we were at last year. Looking at a high of 58 degrees. We're actually going to see some sunshine for our Halloween holiday. And as you take a look at temperatures during the trick-or-treating hours, 57 at 3 o'clock, then down to 53 as we head towards 6, 45 at 9 o'clock, remaining partly cloudy. Now, temperatures today unseasonably cold with a high of 40 degrees. Light snow showers early, giving way to mostly cloudy skies. Mostly cloudy tonight, some clearing by tomorrow morning. We'll see a temperature of 28 degrees out the door. Now, the 7-day forecast, 50s starting Wednesday. We do stay in the 50s into the upcoming weekend. Back to you.